Interview mo muna natin ng dalawa ko. Ito ba English or Filipino? Parehas. Okay. Alright, you speak English? That's good. Ba't Tagalog tayo, ha? Okay. So ikaw ba in relationship or single? Single. Ilang years? 18 years? Ay, hindi ba siya nagka-boyfriend? Sana. Ay, bakit ka nakapakabe? Ano ba na ba? Single or in relationship?
Relationship.
Oh.
Cause he knows just what I needed.
Ilang years na? Secret! Hindi alam! Diyos ko na dito ba boyfriend mo or iniwan mo? Pero ilang years tayo? Secret din! But anyways, fifth throw. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
No.
Wait lang! Sige, ayaan mo na siya.
No.
Okay, since bata pa to, tama ba ako? Hindi mo na? Ang ating Sundamuy Group, wala ibang kumisi, Lawrence!
Cause he knows just what I needed.